Hey guys, what is up? I'm just going to go to the tunnel right now and record for a bit with you, and yeah. It's starting to rain, but the rain doesn't really hurt me, but hopefully this camera on my phone doesn't really get wet. Yeah. There's number plates for the car, so I should try to not show that on camera. There's get flooded. Yeah. I'll go this way. I think this is a shortcut way. Yeah. And guys, guess what? I finished school already, and yeah. Oh, there's a car. He's speeding around a corner. He's lucky he didn't even smash into anyone's car. Jesus. All this rain. Hopefully it doesn't go heavy. Oh, I think I got a good accent on my voice. It's getting deeper. Yeah. So, this video is gonna be half an hour. If doesn't rain too hard. And yeah. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera that much because I have to see where I'm going. I don't want to walk into the gate or something, or someone's yard. Yeah. Oh no, it's starting to spit hard now. This voice is like going into the desert accent or something. I've been in the desert many times. Australia is like a desert. Yeah. Going through this back alleyway. Going to walk on the footpath because don't want to get any mud on my shoes. Yeah. And I'm trying to get oh bloody fly. I'm going to try to get as much best content on videos as possible, and I'm gonna try to post daily if I can. Yeah. But it's gonna take a while for like uploading. Yeah. Oh, there's a car. Just gonna wait for a second. Oh, there's a magpie. Yo, magpie, my boy. Don't sweat me, magpie. Magpie, you don't want to mess with me. Now move out the way. Oh shit, oh shit. Damn, that magpie looked pretty pissed. Yeah. How many minutes is this video? Oh yeah, already 4 minutes. 4 minutes long. And yeah. I don't know what's wrong with my accent, but it's getting deep. Yeah. Just going to walk to the tunnel right now. Oh, I thought that was a bee. Oh my god. I go through this way. So yeah guys, if you want more videos, just smash that like button and yeah. Just smash it. Oh no, I could get electrocuted right now because there's power lines on this pole right here. It's hanging down. Oh god. Plus this phone is made out of metal. And yeah, just gonna place the camera down because there's a car. Yep. Just the tunnel's in front of me. Wait. Yeah, the tunnel is right in front of me. It's just about 1 mile to go. I think it's 1 mile, I don't really know. Yeah. Yeah. I have done as much work as possible at school, right, and yeah, I've done much work. All these houses are getting built up right now. There was a guy back in the alleyway. Yeah. Oh shit. Hope that was a mud. Oh, there's a guy. Here's the tunnel. Going down. Oh shit. Don't wanna slip. Don't wanna slip. Oh god. Here's the tie right here that I seen last time when I went down to the tunnel, but yeah. Oh my god, what's down here? Heard an echo. What's new at the tunnel? Oh, nothing much. What was that? Oh, nothing. Look at this new house. Hopefully it doesn't take over this whole area of the tunnel. Oh, what was hanging on my hand? Oh god. Hopefully there's no spiders. Oh shit, snakes might be around here. Oh god. How many minutes now? Oh yeah, this video is going good. It's like 8 minutes. Oh god. I think eagles go up here at summer times, so hopefully that does not happen. Because this is like a desert area when it's very hot. Like it can get to 40 degrees, and yeah, 40 degrees heat, and maybe 50 very soon, maybe. What was I gonna say again? Oh yeah, it could happen to 50 degrees. Oh shit, bricks everywhere on the ground. Oh yeah, that ghost with Masagi, he actually got bulldozed down by a tractor, and his house actually got bulldozed down, and Masagi thinks rest in peace, but ghosts can actually live forever, and yeah. I don't know if he knows that yet, but yeah. How's my beard going? It's going pretty good. Oh, butterfly, my favorite thing in the world. Not really my favorite thing, but yeah. Shush, but oh god. Oh no, magpies! Magpies! They might swoop the heck out of my neck, or swoop me or something. Oh shit. What was that? Magpie, my boy, don't you sweat me. Oh. Oh god, bees! Hopefully there's no bees slipping all over me. Oh god. What was that? Did you guys see? What the frick? Oh god. Magpie! Oh god, look up there, guys. Look up there. There's magpies. They look pissed. They look very... Whoa, shit. They look very pissed. Can you guys hear? Oh god! Oh, they're galahs. They're rosellas or something. Yeah. Oh, this video is like 11 minutes now. Look at this. This is like desert, dirt. Yeah, desert dirt. Let's see what's in this tunnel right now. Jesus, the fly might give up or bee. It doesn't sting me, so it's not a bee. So it's a fly. Oh god. Boo. Break. Hello? Hello? Oh god. I have to climb up. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Hopefully there's nothing gonna get stuck on my foot. Like any weeds. Yeah. Alright guys. Just going to get down here. And yeah. Oh god. Can you guys see up there? There's normally bats up there at night times. That's why I don't want to go past here when it gets dark. Like when I don't want to record around this area. And yeah, is my flashlight on? No, it's not. Don't want to waste any battery because so only 90% of battery right now. Yeah. I like that exit I got. It's actually pretty good. Oh god, that looks scary. There's all the big tires right here. Oh, glass. Don't want to get spotted by cops right now, or police. Or officers. Yeah. See over there, there's like cars. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Oh god. Hopefully no alligators around here. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go back. Ooh. Ooh god, there's a way in through the fence right there. Oh god, there's a way in the fence right there. Can easily go in there. Oh god. Oh, I don't like these weeds right now. The weeds are crazy. Anything in there? Any rats? Nah. Oh, people take their time doing graffiti up here. There's graffiti on the side. What the heck is that kind of graffiti or something? Oh shit. Walked into weeds. Hopefully no spider was on that. Look at that graffiti. Oh god, I don't want any mud on my shoe. Tom, my boy. Yeah. I have to be careful right now. Have to climb up here. Oh god. Alright, I made it up safely, guys. Oh my god, it's 15 minutes right now. Any way in the fence here? No. I think it's safe for me to get down. Oh. Yep, I'm all good, guys. You don't have to worry about me. Oh god. Oh, what is that over there? There's like a big bench right there. Oh, what's on my foot? Ow, that hurts. There's like a bit of a spike. Yeah. There's a big pole right here. There's a way in the fence right there, too. Oh, magpie. Oh god. Magpie, don't you sweep me. Look at that. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I can see up there, magpie. Oh, people did graffiti here too. Oh god. Oh, big kick. Still raining. Oh god, I thought there was someone going in the fence over there. I was getting scared. Oh god. That really freaking hurts. Oh, that was a piece of wire. Oh, a stick. Gonna break it. Oh, that was funny. Oh, Jesus. I don't need this. Hey, birds. Don't mind me. Just don't swoop me, okay? Yeah. Oh, God. I want to find a way into that abandoned house up there. If you guys can see that. Yeah. What was that? I heard something scary over there. Like what is that sound? Jesus. I hear some kind of people or something. Don't know. This fly won't even give up. Jesus. Fly, stop. Stop. Oh Jesus, I don't want to trip over these bricks. Bets. Why is there bets on there? Oh God! Oh no, that's not the cops. Thought it was the cops. Jesus. I don't want to get caught here and get arrested or something. There's no way into this fence right here, so I don't know how to get into the fence or something. Seen a car go by here. Let's see what's new around here. Any spiders? Oh God. Don't you say that. Yep. That's scary. I'm scared of spiders, guys. Oh, that graffiti too. There's no satanic stuff right now in this tunnel, so yeah, no satanic stuff. Oh, birds, don't you start right now. Don't you start. Any dead animals in here? Nope. Doesn't really look like. There's that stuff on the ground. Don't know what you call that, but yeah. Oh god. Hopefully there was no spider on that. Oh, there's a crate right there. Oh, here's a fly again. Oh god. I heard someone. Oh, that's a big giant ant. Jesus, very huge. Oh god, more. Oh god. Look at this tire. Oh god. Trying to surf on it. Oh yeah. Surfing. Oh god. I don't know why I keep saying oh my god, why? Hello? There's some guy right there. The guy just looked at me and gave me a dirty look. But yeah. Don't want to touch this stuff because it makes people itchy. Oh god. Oh, I heard a car slow down. Luckily I ducked. What's that noise? Awesome! I hear cypods. Cycribs. Where is it? That's my first time hearing them in the wild. Have to stay quiet. I know. Stop. Oh, can you guys hear that? That's awesome. Can you guys hear that? Where are they? Oh, they're on the tree. Cyclones. That's awesome. That's my first time hearing them around here. They're pretty rare around Australia. Can you hear that? Oh god. I want to get up there and record it. Oh god, spiders. Where are they? That's awesome. Can you hear that? Where are they? Oh god. Oh, that's my first time hearing that, guys. I heard of them on YouTube, but not around these parts of Australia. I forgot the name of them, but they're like start with a C. Cyclops, I think. Cyclops. Yeah. This camera's 25 minutes now. Where is love that sound. I love the sound of nature. Nature's pretty awesome, guys. You should go outside and explore the wilderness, but do not go in places you don't feel safe in. Just, yeah. There's somewhere in this tree here. I can hear it. That's not police. Oh, I love the sound of you guys. They are pretty rare, guys. They are pretty rare. But where are they? Oh yeah, I think I see one in the tree. They're like little insects. They're like little insects. I want to hear that at night time, guys. I want to hear that at night time when I go to the tunnel next time. And it's November. It's like November right now, and yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a big giant ant. I didn't know these guys live around here. Awesome. Alright guys, going to try to get down safely. Oh god. Yep, I made it down safely, guys. But I love the sound of that. Where is it? Can you guys see any? Oh, there's a seagull up there. Where is it? Cryptids, I think it's called. Oh my god, this video is 27 minutes now. Where are you? Okay guys, a moment of silence. Let's hear it. Okay guys, when I said a moment of silence, they all kept quiet. I don't know why. Yeah. This is beautiful. I love this tunnel at this time of year. Even hearing that. I'm so uploading this video to see what's up with the cryptids here. I tried to look for the name, and yeah guys. This video is almost done uploading. Not uploading, but it's almost finished recording. It's not raining. Oh shit, car. Oh, that's a big truck. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh no. Almost got spotted. Alright guys, I better get going because it's starting to rain. But yeah, get up. I'm gonna get up. I better get up quickly. Oh god. Let's see what's around here before it finishes. Alright guys, smash that like button and peace. So yeah guys, smash that like button for more content, and yeah, I'm gonna get going now. And just smash that like button, turn on notifications, and yeah, see you later.